Kublai pi baroj ka thup khubor jongi dan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki ba kongsan mentaka singi kilong. Rakhe singi Republic bah nyobo saw ki pad ba ka Meghalaya ha Shillong. Kaang udi gross shira bambiang ki school ha North Garo Hills. Kan mau tumpang kilong kami NPP North Shillong yaki mensim klat COVID-19. Ban Kop unumal moment banyo majority ka BJP ha Meghalaya. Tementang ne phaj ki Khubor ki bakhamania. Ki pat ba ka Meghalaya ki la rakhe da ka jinkmen bat da ka jingsong shit ya ka sngi Republic ba nyopo saw la ne ka 74th Republic Day ha ka bala stang ka sngi da ka jingyat parade ki perton pulet Jylla ki CRPF Home Guards East Khasi Hills DEF 1st MLP Battalion SF10 Indian Reserve Battalion na Arunachal Pradesh, NCC Boys and Girls, Indian Red Cross Society, Unitarian Higher Secondary School Puryang, JNB Mauplang, and Brass Band of Border Wing Home Guards na Madan Polo haka arpun reuterik ukalalangkon. Ulat ke Jylla Dr. B.D. Mishra ulalong kongsan par ula shem ya kaselut. Hakani kasngila pendapat baru ikinong yo kusnam President's Home Guards and Civil Defense Medal for Meritorious Service bad ikibala yo eka President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service. Ulat ula samru eka kusnam Utirat Singh Award arhajar arpulai for Arts and Culture ya ikong Switi Monranja Patogan and Sangma Award arhajar arpulai for Social Service yai Dr. Jennifer V. Basayomon ban ukiang nangba award arhajar arpulai for sports yau Klingson di Marak. Haka jingkran ulat ula nyautang ki jingtmu jangka riti senshar jangka ri India bat ka jingki ukari bat ka Jylla hakini ki nyaupu saus nam balala.
Has assumed the G20 presidency. G20 is the leading forum of 20 countries for deliberation and coordination of core economic and policy issues. It is a proud moment for every Indian that our country is now recognized as a global leader. India's theme for the G20 presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is one earth, one family, one future. This in itself is a reflection of the rich cultural value system of our society. This year, as part of G20 presidency, India will host over 200 meetings in over 50 cities across 32 different work streams, which will give a good glimpse of the rich India's culture heritage and diversity to the two G20 delegates and guests. Remember, they for sure will become our admirers and ambassadors. As part of G20 programs, Shillong will be hosting the Space 20 program on 17th and 18th of April 2023. This program would be in continuation of Space Economy Leaders Meeting held by the National Space Agency of G20 countries in 2020. It was initiated with the aim of eventually making space economy as a formal agenda item of G20 summits. The objective of Space Economy Leaders Meeting of 2023 will be to discuss how the space partnership can contribute to the growth of the economy of G20 nations, in line with India G20 theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Let me give you a good news today. On the initiative of Government of India, the United Nations has declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets.
Ukertong ka Bharatiya Janata Party na Mendipathar constituency di Gross Shira ulak ang yaka jingsa din ki school hakilom Garo Khamtam Hanot Garo Hills district. Ulakeno ba bon ki yeng school hakan ka district kim dan ki yeng ki ba biang don ki school ki ba klem tunum ni klem jingkhang ki bala bu ki khna school hagi jing e ki ba kraw Khamtam haka por slam bat haka ayom krian. Ulakeno eka jingle abam saria ka sorkar MDA eka nika district hakiba bon ki surok kila jadrat hai kabala bu ikipad ba haki jingla not ki ba harukam. Ula kroi ki pat ba jangka mendi pathar ban je deka BJP khnang ba ki pat ba kin yo lut iki scheme joka sarkar India.
Ya cholang ko ya entitlement scheme lang ko ba sini manderang bangmatan evel khana man khujaiga maina dau king pa government ya scheme lang ko haida ma thalatan yo ba manderang na department gata nirok saka nyo haida name cholang ko onjainga ni ko anchung na kata mana aro anchung ode maka je mamung sarkari ni scheme lang doa wa scheme lang ko anchini soni nukni manderang na me masi khujaiga bangbada scheme kon dendang bimung chisa dau ba jakhalinga nakken dau songadamni manderang ba wa scheme rangko department nangni department concern department gata warangko sandiani ba manuk chainga uniman dau BJP government ni ba ngode ya entitlement scheme rangko de changje rake ba manatna joton kan baksana ba dau ta chadam berang na jangi thangna kata dau PMEJP Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program ya scheme rangko ba bang chadam berangan man khujenga ya scheme rangko man gen chmude ya loan rangko subsidy loan rangko man gen chmude banga chadam berang ba badung chiwalanio thangdoruk na kata man gen aru wasa nongja mendi pathar area o da uta inter border state wani man da uta mendi pathar area o mkhang chi dige aphalni investment rangko rabana kata de mamung union government ni dakchani kre nanga union government ni dakchani gride ya scheme rangko anching ni state ona rabana kata manjo dau anching india dalal ke pas state rangko anching na kata mana Gujarat ungzamena Maharashtra ungzamena UP ungzamena wa state rangona aphalni investment donga foreign direct investment donga ya rangko ba chunga BJP government na manang ode mamung sarkari baksa angrke mana dendang asongni dendang dal ke company yang ni businessman ko ba chunga rabana joton kausa bang batte chadam berangko chunga jangi tangani cholko accommodate khana kata mangen ya rangko chunga muksong phainga mukhangchi
Kum kadak ban ken mau eat iki mensim ki bala klat no nak klam COVID-19 hakini ki arsnem ki bala lit no ka National People's Party Women's Wing 17th North Shillong constituency haka arpho henri utare ukalalangkon kala penlong daka jingthang mombati bar ka jing sngap jar ka ba 10 minute bandoi na ka banta ki mensim ki bala klat baken jathat haka jingsuk haka ne ka program lawan shembanta do kertong ke NPP ba ransom sutengah
members of Women's Wing NPP 70 North Shillong and also members of NPP present here this evening. Today is the day where we are celebrating Republic Day, and also at the same time we are also remember our dear friends and family members who have lost their lives because of COVID-19 pandemic. Before I continue my speech, during this COVID-19 pandemic, I lost one of my best friend, and that is Mr. Sham Konwa. He lost his life during this COVID-19 pandemic, and today, in his loving memory, we are also organizing this function. I have his wife here, Lakshmi ji. I request Lakshmi ji to kindly say a few words to all of us present here. You can also say in Hindi.
Deputy Speaker Kayeng Dorbar Thawaan ke Assam Dr. Numul Momin ula kiu chatura ban perta election na kabanta kaseng BJP da ka keno persya ka sarkar MDA bayalam da kaseng NPP bakala penkela kerteng ki scheme jaka sarkar India shaka focus scheme low cost houses ban penthame pat ba da ka kamtrai bakiri ki scheme penroy jaka sarkar MDA ula keno ru ba menteri rang ba ukonrat ke sangma baru Dr. Mukul Sangma kilaya lambak lai ki pat ba ka Meghalaya haki babun kiliang uni urang ba na Assam ula kambat ko baka BJP kan sayo eka majority ha Meghalaya ban bat ya ka syuki sensyar hadin ka election
Asamo anga uno ekdom repeatedly khamkha anga dream donga ino garo iso de yo Assam model ni ino garo isni implement khagen Modi sarkar iba kintu India Bangladesh trade international trade anga chance donga yo mine minerals pangha donga ino aro yo kaju badam de donga aro gui de donga yo public rangko mai khaga connect sangma mukul sangma ekdom thuljok kham khaja aro khangal mandiranga obosthan dongja yo Narendra Modi Prime Minister Awas Yojana den nama nokodonga aro ihote implement khaja Jal Jeevan Mission yo scheme de Prime Minister Narendra Modi sanction kha ino implement khaja half done mayongen aro yo PM Kisan yearly 6,000 hajar dok Narendra Modi ni government ni sanction kha aro ino mayonga 5,000 in 3 years hajar bonga sanction kha yo khorna sangma NPP government
Karibhoy district ringkat bat karihi baro kawai kala rakhe ka Republic Day ka bah nyopo saw ka arpun riu tere ukala lengkon belapen long hamadan NSCA paham sim nongpo. Daka jingshit hem ki pat ba ka district ki khana school bat kinong tere sorkar kilami pat ba ban rakhe ka ni ka sngi kraw jongkari India. Warpid Upadhyaya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy ulapen here ka lama lairong jakari bat sheme ka salute haka jingyat march past ki khana school ki pulit NCC Bharat Scouts and Guides. Ugiri Prasad, Superintendent of Police, Karibhoy lambat ki wei ki officer naka district, ki mi ban recommend bat ki pat ba haka ni kalumpung. Lapan syong shit bat pen berniai ki khana bat ki pat ba, da ki cultural program ki ba kentup, ya ki jingshar bat ki jingruai, na ki kenhun ki balapan kre ban pen kraw ya ka ni kasngi. Ki bor penya district kila samru ki khusnam shiki nongjob haka jingpen inam ya ki tablu haka ba katanat kakot ka khia kala yo banra ya ka kerdan bandingkong katanat fisheries haka kerdan ka baar bat katanat election haka kerdan ka balai kadba haka march pass ka school JNV nyang bari kala yo ra ya ka kerdan ka bandingkong ka St Paul's High Secondary School haka kerdan ka baar bat ka Ribhoy Presbyterian High Secondary School haka kerdan ka balai
with its commander APSI Khubor Our next contingent approaching the city of Ganesh to take the salute now is the 6th Annual Battalion Umrah, led by Branch Sub-Inspector Rameshwar Kachari. The third contingent approaching the city of Ganesh is the 6th Civil Defense and Home Guard. The Home Guard contingent led by Guardsman Bante Boklingo comprises of 33 Home Guards volunteers recently trained by the District Home Guards Training Center in Ribhoy District, Kampong. Hailing from different parts of Ribhoy, these new Home Guards volunteers will soon have first-hand experience of security duty when they are importantly attached with the Ribhoy Police for the upcoming assembly election next month. Approaching the saluting guys to take the salute now is the Auxilium High Secondary School, Malcolm NCC Cadet Boys and Girls, with its commander, Mr. Kershash Prophet.
Rakhi Sngi Republic hakeleng ki district Kathain Garo haka arpun riu terik ukalalengkot. Hatura u Deputy Commissioner Swapnil Tembe ula shem yaka Rashtriya Salute Hamadan MP Stadium dakom gere tura bat ulapan here kalama lairong kari India. Ki perton pulit Jylla, NCC, Scouts and Guides, ki khana school bat samla pulit college, kila shem benta haka ni ka parit. UDC ula ai Khublei Sngi Republic ki pat ba bat ulapan kan mawe ka jingdan kam ban te ka Meghalaya da ka jinga trelang ka wei ka but ka wei ka bor haki kambaro. Ulakan turu ban nyokor bat ban tengkai ya ki jing ai ba koridor jo ka Mariang na ka benta ka jing bentoy jo ki pateng bandang wan. Ka Meghalaya kadon menta laipo pralak ki pat nong shong snong ki bala imlang salang haka jingsuk bat ka jinga e markeliang bat ngidei banri kendong ya kanika jinglong bakan sai haka long briu man briu ulaong.
I would like to urge all the voters, especially the young voters who have just received their new epic cards, to participate and exercise their right to vote in this coming elections. First anniversary of Meghalaya state, I want to thank all the citizens, residents of the state who have participated to develop our beautiful state, and also in future also I hope you all will keep on contributing to take our state forward. Agarani ko machotatna skang nga changsatay jagetelanina dakrik geparang. Concluding, Once again, I would like to acknowledge everyone's contribution towards the state, towards our republic. It includes army, paramilitary, police, and all the residents of our state who have contributed in various capacities.
Badak itu ki Khubor la pois ka bakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang khublei shibun.